Deep beneath the earth, valuable metals and minerals are extracted. These raw materials are transported to advanced manufacturing facilities. Here, silicon is melted and refined into a pure form. From it, highly precise wafers are created. Tiny circuits are etched onto them using powerful lasers. This is where a powerful processor is born. Camera glass is carefully shaped and polished. Then a stunning OLED display is created. Each screen is tested for color accuracy and quality. The battery is carefully assembled for reliability. The titanium frame is cut using high-precision machines. Every component is placed onto the motherboard with precision. All internal connections are carefully completed. Now the final assembly of the phone begins. The camera module is installed with great care. The device is sealed for full protection. It is tested to ensure water resistance. The display is perfectly attached to speed and performance are carefully tested. With software installed, the phone comes to life. Each device goes through a final inspection. It is cleaned to achieve a flawless finish. Now the premium packaging process begins. The phone is carefully placed inside the box. The package is sealed for safe delivery. It is stored in large warehouses.